easy. Malapit na biyahe. Mas malapit sa San Juan. So talagang madali nakakapunta dito yung mga Letranista.
Actually, pati Arellano.
Pati lang. Tama. Malapit din, ano? So we also have Arellano fans in attendance. Meantime, set number 2. Nagsimula na De Guzman. Getting checked by Sari. So that's not a good sign for the Arellano Lady Chiefs, who actually had a better start dun sa set number 1 natin. Slightly better than Letran. Yun nga lang, hindi nila napanindigan.
Oo. Tsaka medyo lumamig agad itong si Moming.
That's right. Oh. It's a service ace for Royce De La Cruz. I believe this is her second one already. Again, Letran is number 1 in that department because they have really consistent heavy servers on this team. Tira-tira. Netura! Too strong.
That would have been big for Netura, ano? Kitang-kita mo yung ere niya eh. Pagdating niya sa taas, may time ka pa for you to decide saan ko ba dadalhin tong bola. Pwedeng sa likod, pwedeng i-check. Diba?
May hang time din tong si Judel Netura.
Yan yung isa sa mga bagay na hindi ko na-experience eh.
Alin?
Yung hang time.
Meron naman. High school. Netura. Back-to-back attack errors will allow Arellano to pull even here.
Score is all through.
Like Katudlasan. Again, entered midway through first set. Itong si Tudlasan came off the bench. Netura. Balik sa kanya. Judel this time. Gets it off the block.
Yung sinasabi ko na meron siyang time para mag-decide kung anong klase yung ibibigay niya. Whoops. Yan, kitang-kita mo na nandito siya nakaharap sa kaliwa, pero yung attempt niya papunta dun sa kanan eh. Pang check ball.
Now, it's a service ace. So back-to-back points for Netura. That's her second ace already. Again, number 1 server in the league so far. Panilyon, dug up by Makilang. Sari puts it through.
Nakuha na ng Letran yung rhythm na gusto nila and yung energy. If you're gonna look at the players dun na sa loob ng court and pati dun sa bench nila, very high. And I think a positive energy in a team is very contagious. And once na kumalat yan sa team mo, malaking plus yan para sa inyo.
This is the strongest lineup on the floor for Letran. Pero ito, bumawi agad si Sam Tira-Tira. Of course, if you're Arellano, you don't want to see Letran pulling away. Kasi parang nangyari ng first set, talagang nahirapan silang gumapang.
And again, from the beginning of this game, effective nung hinahanap nila si Tira-Tira doon sa gitna. And the moment na nag-let on sila doon sa gitna at hinanap ulit nila yung outsides nila nang hindi pa nila na ma-maximize yung pinaka pwede nilang makuhang points from Sam, na-check sila.
Estrelier, her second 1-2 play. 6-3. Sari on the jump serve. Here is De Guzman. Put down by Pau.
De Guzman.
If you are an Arellano fan, that's what you want to see. Meron namang kanyang kakayahan eh.
Tama.
Diba? Itong mga attackers ng Arellano, kailangan lang talagang mag-setapan sila ng mas mabuti. This is a throw for Makilang and Gia again finds the opening.
Again, same spot yan dun sa binanggit ko kanina. Kung nandun sila sa kabilang side, from our angle, nasa left side, ngayon, nandito na sa right side. Dito na naman yung inaatake nila.
She's only scoring when it's necessary for Letran. Talking about Gia Makilang as we see Padillon counter with her own spike.
And at this point, that's the second time naman na si Sari ang inaatake ng Arellano.
So 5-7. Still in favor of Letran. Moming Padillon will now come from behind. Here's the running attack by De La Cruz. Tudlasan. Estrelier with a swing. And third point for Natalie Estrelier will bring us to this break. And on the other side, we'll hear from Miss Erin T.
Marami sa mga student athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Lauro Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses,
Alvin Patrimonio at
Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel Aducul, Rodi Santos, Willie Miller.
Season 100 Women's Volleyball Tournament. As Coach Obet always says, always have that winning mindset no matter how tough the opponent or the situation. And hindi pwedeng panghinaan, kailangan palaging lumalaban. After dropping the previous set, the Lady Chiefs quickly gathered in their huddle not just to regroup, but to also reset their focus. Coach Obet sternly reminded them to let go of their frustration and instead channel their energy into smarter coverage and sharper execution. He also reminded the team not to give the Knights a chance to score easily. He emphasized the importance of tightening their defense and making smart plays. He also pointed out that they need to improve their passing and to keep their offense flowing smoothly and stay in control of the game. The Lady Chiefs may be down a set, but their fight is far from over. Let's see if these reminders will fuel their court performance as I turn it over to you, Martin and Prince.
Thanks, Erin. Well, so far we are seeing better fight from the Arellano Lady Chiefs. They're keeping it close here in the second frame. So those reminders are working. Mula dito kay Coach Obet Javier. And it continues for the Lady Chiefs. 2 straight points after the technical timeout.
NC Sam tira-tira, sinusubukan nilang i-activate. And again, nabanggit ko rin kanina na during the first set, effective yung mga plays nila involving Sam. And I think they should exploit that.
Yeah, may imbagay kapag nahahanap itong si Sam tira-tira because it opens up spikers like Katudlasan.
Definitely. Kasi napakalaking threat nito ni Sam pag hinanap mo siya ng hinanap sa gitna. Tapos meron kang tudlasan sa gilid, may moming ka rin sa kabila or sa likod. Tapos may De Guzman ka pa. Diba? So, iisipin mo ngayon kay Sam ba sila pupunta or dun sa kabilang side. Mas marami silang nagiging options.
And Arellano, 3 straight points. Goes back to their side. Tudlasan. Estrelier to Judel. Down the line special for Netura.
Binigla eh. Binigla yung set na yun sa likod. Parang walang intention sa likod eh.
Yeah.
Pero ready na siya. Even Sam was late.
Yeah. Judel Netura. Giving Letran back the lead. Masyado mababa. Tudlasan mababa rin. So after the 3-0 blast of the Lady Chiefs, dalawang sunod mula sa Lady Knights naman. Pablo. Combination. Long drop ball. Sari connects. So even from the back row, pumupuntos etong si Vanessa Sari. Let's see here. Bueno, that's, well, medyo frontline na dahil sa loob na siya nag-attempt. But still a point for Sari. Oh, nicely done by Makilang. Tudlasan. Sari. Nope. One more time for Laika. Pinalik ni Netura. Domasig. Oh, this is gonna go out. So Netura commits the attack error. Immediate instructions from Coach O towards Judel. Let's see what Arellano can do. This is the opening that they want. Yun nga lang, service error.
yung maganda yung tinatakbo nyo, tapos magkakaroon ng error. Yun yung isa sa mga pinakamasakit na momentum killer eh. Kasi wala kang kalaban-laban dun. I mean, hindi kami lang binigyan ng chance na to receive or to do something. I mean, that's a service na dapat isiguraduhin mo lang na dalhin sa kabila.
Meantime, it's the opposite happening for Letran. 8 points now for Royce De La Cruz with 3 aces across her name. Better give. Oh, tira-tira is read by Napal. Padillon. Here comes Letran. Sari. That one was deflected. Tudlasan gets the check.
Laika Tudlasan.
You see what happened there? They looked for Sam. Both defenders were there. And then right after that, they looked for Laika. Ngayon, na-open si Laika dahil galing kay Sam yung play sa gitna. And it opens up different opportunities para dito sa Arellano.
That's good variation by Kathy Domasig. Estrelier. Ooh. Yeah, that's an error on that Estrelier.
Double contact.
A little awkward on the back set.
Binibigla kasi tayo ng mga big back set niya papunta kay Neture.
Medyo may deceiving factor, ano?
Oh, kasi nakaharap siya eh, pati yung katawan, tapos biglang makikita mo yung pagka-bend ng katawan niya pag dinala niya na sa likod, pati yung leg ko napapa-bend din eh, pag pinapakita ko sa'yo eh.
Pati pala si Prince. Napapakagat, pero mabilis naman lagi ang bawi mula din sa Lady Knights. You know, they're always just in control. They know what to do pag hinahabol na sila.
And again, they won't be the #1 team for nothing.
Yeah. Showing us maturity in this season. Padillon, drop doesn't work. Sari, that is covered by Tudlasan. De Guzman!
Binawi lang, binawi.
This is a very talented spiker, Pau De Guzman, with a swing. Down the line hit, even challenging our top libero. Etong si Lara May Silva. The lead is 2. Good first pass. Napal!
Drop ball by Marjorie
Smart
Napal.
play. Very, very smart play.
Look at this. Simpleng-simple. Drop ball. Seeing the open spot right behind the blockers.
The past 3 offense na ginawa nila is dinala kay Sari, tapos dinala kay Netura sa likod. Ngayon, binagsak kay Nepal sa middle.
Napalagin. Ito, yung bigay kay Padillon! Cutting through that defense. Ito, off-speed, yung impact. Just on the spot for Padillon.
Ginamit yung yung spin ng bola para bumagsak agad.
Arellano again within striking distance. Makilang. Gia again. She will not miss 2 in a row. Makilang brings us to our second technical timeout. Letran ahead by 3.
Kapuso, ako po si Christine San Agustin at ngayon, nandito tayo sa San Beda University para saksihan ang kanilang pep rally para syempre ipakilala at suportahan ang kanilang mga atleta na ready ng sumabak para sa NCAA Season 100. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
The president of Arellano University and also a member of the NCAA Policy Board in attendance. You know, we got MANCOM representatives, Policy Board members, all here watching the action. This is Gia Makilang. Down the line again for Gia. And the lead is 3.
Serving for the turn,
Napal.
Marjorie Napal.
has been fantastic, already with 6 points, 5 off attacks, 1 ace, and a lot of drop balls from the middle. Nicely done by Sari, not giving up. Back set, running hit, too strong for Mangubat.
Ball out.
Ball out. 17-13.
That would have been a nice play. Sumobra lang.
At dito kanina, nakalayo ang Lady Knights. It was off a 5-0 run in the middle of the first set that gave them the safe cushion. Padillon. Gia denied. Oh, too strong for Sari.
Attack goes out.
Isa sa mga bagay na nakikita ko sa set number 1 natin and again dito sa set number 2 natin is for some reason, I don't know if it's mataas or mababa, pero yung setting ng Arellano medyo hindi siya ganun ka on point. Or maybe because of the first ball din. Diba? And maririnig nga natin kanina during the timeouts na sumisigaw itong mga players natin sa huddle na first ball muna, kunin muna natin yung first ball. And that's how important yung first ball is para sa mga teams natin ngayon na kailangan nila iangat yung bola para ma-set ng setter ng maayos at saka makakuha sila ng magandang points.
Doubly challenging if you're facing the number 1 serving team. Kahit sinong ilagay mo sa service line, threat. Nitura! From the opposite side.
And the thing is, number 1 serving team versus the number 1 blocking team, hindi mo man pwedeng blockin yung serve. Diba? So, kailangan mo talaga dumipensa. And again, if you're playing against the number 1 serving team,
Tignan mo, binigay mo lang sa kanila yung simple. Then binalikan tayo ng palo. Pag binigyan tayo ng bola, di ba rin magkakamali sa palo kaysa naman yung over lang natin yun? Ha? Anong diferensya nun? Kailangan malaman niya. A1. O, A1. Ano nangyari? Malayo pa yan. Huwag tayo mamingin ng bola.
Kung magsasabi ng dalaga.
19-14 in favor of the Lady Knights. Judel Nitura seeing the gap in between the blockers.
you know what I heard from Coach O, kung sa sinabi niya na yan, parang sa basketball din pala. Di ba aling magkamali ka na sa tira kaysa i-over mo. So in basketball terms, di ba aling may attempt mo. Wag mo lang i-turn over. Kasi pag nag-turnover ka, walang chance na makashoot ka. Pero pag nai-attempt mo, baka pwedeng ma-shoot, baka makuha mo yung rebound. Dito naman, after the attempt, baka kung ma-block man, bumalik sa inyo, makaset up kayo ng isa pa. Rather than bibigay mo yung chance ball, then sila yung magsiset up ng offense nila, balik na naman kayo sa defending side.
Yeah. And after the timeout, itong Arellano responded like katudlasan with the hit. Alona Kagikla, team captain.
Siya yung nagsabi na nagkakaraoke sila night before games and feel good movies.
Interesting team bonding para dito sa, or ube, para sa Arellano. Judel now on the open spot, giving Letran the 5-point lead. So ni-rotate na siya doon ni Coach O, and she has 9 points in the match. Oh!
Service error.
One of the few service errors today. Netong Letran Lady Knights, they've been pretty much on point from the service spot.
Again, being the number 1 service team, isa yun sa mga risks na iti-take mo yung dahil sa sobrang taas ng ace percentage ninyo, you're gonna get errors from that. But you won't be the number 1 serving team for nothing.
Combination play. Pau de Guzman connects. So Arellano cutting the lead down to 3. De Guzman, tira-tira as the decoy. Mainis yung tingin doon ni Pau. Estrelier. Sari! Wow!
Ngayon ko lang ulit narinig yung apelido niya after a while. And with a bang.
And this was off a difficult underhand setup from Estrelier. Vanessa Sari exploding again.
Oh, hindi. At saka yung normally makikita mo sa buwelo pagka opposite ka, nasa labas ng line eh. Pero yung sa kanya, nasa loob na siya eh. Kinuha niya na malapit na sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, malayo yung pagkakaset, pero ang ganda ng pagkapalo, ng pagka-deliver.
Ooh, and that's why she was inserted. Panangin with a service ace. The lead is back up to 5. Letran is rolling.
Okay, again, I take back what I said with the service ace. This team is really good with their service.
Quick attack mula kay Tira-Tira is dug up. Netura outside. 18-22.
Oh, nilagay na nila ni Coach O si Sam dito sa labas. Wala na siya sa gitna. In terms of offense. Pangatlong palo niya na yun na nanggaling sa labas. Bumabalasa si Coach.
Solid first ball. Sari. Cross-court kill. This time for Vanessa Sari.
Alam mo, nakakahawa yung tunog ng bola eh. Alam mo yun, yung parang bugbog yung bola sa palo niya eh. Napakabigat eh.
Always loaded, yeah.
Tapos ikaw ang re-receive nun. Imagine mo naman yun. Mahirap talaga.
Iniiwas pa. Cross-court na. Iniiwas pa sa dalawang blockers. 12-point. Vanessa Sari. Uy! Tumayaw commits the error. So, Faye Mangubat comes back in. Sam Tira-Tira and Kagikla going out. So, Coach Obet has, both Adante and Domasig on the floor. So, baka si Domasig yung maging spiker dito. Blocked. Sari returned again. Sari will try. Binuhay. De Guzman to Panilion. Kept up. Dug up. Returned. And it is Sari getting the better of that Arellano defense. Set point now in favor of Letran.
Ito yung service na gusto kong pumasok at saka maging service ace ganito. Kasi yung ganito kabigat, nang hirap tanggapin ito.
Ayan na. Jump serve incoming. Courtesy of Vanessa Sari. Oh!
Thank you!
Yeah.
Thank you, Sari. Yung sinasabi ko na
Ganda naman ang prediction doon ni Prince.
Pagka naman pumasok talaga yung ganung service, talaga namang mabigat saluhin yun.
Service ace to end the second set. And Vanessa Sari, 13 points. Already, 13 or 14. We'll check in a little bit, but she is their leading scorer so far. 25-19. Letran had 2 sets to none.